Hi, my name is Brooke Langford, and I am a part of the Research and Extension Experience for undergraduate students here at Oklahoma State University. And today we're going to do a little activity that you can do out in the garden, out on a hike, but something fun, and it's called the flower weaving frame, and it looks something like this. So to get started, you basically just start with a simple wooden frame that looks like this. You can get it anywhere, make sure there has no glass or anything in it, and you can use that. So in order to begin, you're gonna get some twine that you have laying around the house, in a cabinet, in the craft drawer, and you're gonna cut a piece out so we can staple it to the wooden frame to make a little zigzag, which is going to hold your flowers that you're gonna get from the garden or wherever. In order to do that, you're gonna start by tying a knot at the end of your twine, so that way when you first do the first staple, it will stick to the frame and it won't come unraveled. So now I'm just gonna put it here, kind of in the corner of the wooden frame, and I'm gonna use a staple gun to staple it in place. In order to use this, I just put the staple gun on the twine right in the middle so it sticks to the frame. And I push down really, really hard. And there you have it. Now it's stapled to the wooden frame. And now you just keep going, get as much twine as you want, using some scissors to cut it. Now you're just going to weave it across the frame, kind of like a little zigzag. Just like that. And then you're just going to keep going. So eventually it will look like this. And then next, in order to finish the frame, we're going to put a sawtooth hanger in, so that way when you get done completing your frame, you can hang it on the wall as a decoration or set it in your house. So we're just going to place this wherever you would like to place it. If you want your flowers to go horizontally, you're going to place it on one side. If not, you can change it and do it vertically. So I'm just going to place this on the wooden frame very carefully, and I'm going to get a hammer. I'm just going to hammer it into the wooden frame. Just like that. So now it's all complete, and it looks like this, and you even have a place to hang it. So this is kind of what our wooden frame looks like with the zigzag twine in it. So now we need to finish it by weaving the flowers in there. So what I have here is just flowers I got from the garden. Just pick them, or out on like a little hike, wherever you're at. You can get whatever you want, get some leafy flowers or things like that. You can even put sticks and stuff in it, just whatever you want, and you're just going to take them and weave them through the frame until it's complete. And I'm going to start decorating mine where it's vertically so I can hang it like this. So that's how I'm going to fill in the flowers. I have different types of flowers, different lengths and varieties of things, and you can get them from anywhere, and you can use them for anything. And this will probably last a few days if you keep it inside. Eventually the flowers will die, but that's okay. You can get new ones and different flowers, and you can see which flowers grow in the different seasons. Okay, so I'm going to put one last flower in here just because I think it's ready, and it's full, and it's green, and it's vibrant, and it's really up to you. You can add in more flowers, take away flowers. There's also some fresh mint in there, so you can incorporate herbs and things from your garden to bring something else inside your kitchen or your home. And that's kind of it. This is my finished product, but before I want to hang it on the wall, if you would like to, you can take your handy dandy scissors if you like and just kind of trim up the edges. You can kind of look behind the frame and kind of tell this is okay, this can go up against your wall, but if the pieces are too long or anything, just feel free to cut them, trim them down however you would like, and then it is good to go. But here is my flower frame. And it's really up to you and whatever you want, but it's just a little fun activity that you can do with you and your family or your friends, and something that gets you outside and your hands touching things in the garden and flowers, and just incorporate a different piece of art into your home.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.